So YouTube Shorts launched as a TikTok competitor in March of 2021, but up until now, there wasn't really a good reason to use it. I mean, you weren't making any money from AdSense on these videos, they were a hassle to upload, and they made your recent videos look like crap. But two massive updates just rolled out for Shorts that give it a lot more potential for actually increasing your audience and making some real money from the platform. So in this video, I'll be breaking down what those updates are, how you can now make money on Shorts, and then my plan to actually use Shorts to make a couple $1,000 extra per month. So without further ado, let's dive on into it. Now, first off, what actually are these two updates that just rolled out for Shorts? Well, the first of which is that you can now post Shorts directly from the YouTube app. So as you can see now in the YouTube app on this bottom bar here, there is now an option for Shorts. And when you click on that, it takes you directly into Shorts on YouTube. From here, you can press the little camera guy in the upper right-hand corner, and you can either directly record or upload a short video. Now, I've got one here that I uploaded to TikTok this morning. I can just paste it in here. I can say next, I can add a title, and boom, it's published. Okay, this is such an easier process than it used to be to publish a Shorts video where you had to put hashtag Shorts in the title and description. It was just a total hassle to upload one, but now that it is so easy, that is a massive update for the actual viability of Shorts. Now, the second major update is there is now a $100 million creator fund for YouTube Shorts creators. So similar to the TikTok creator fund that is $1 billion, YouTube decided to launch a $100 million fund for Shorts creators. It's essentially going to give out a monthly payout to the creators that are driving the most views on the Shorts platform, but it's going to be a little bit of a black box similar to the TikTok creator fund, which you can find out more about up here. So far, it looks like they're going to be quite similar, but YouTube has still yet to roll out kind of all of the information and details associated with the fund. One thing that they have said, though, is that you don't have to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program to participate. So to join the Partner Program, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. That is not going to be a requirement to join the Shorts Creator Fund. Anyone who is driving significant views on the Shorts platform will be able to participate. So now that we got those two updates out of the way, how do you actually make money with Shorts? Well, there's three main routes you can take, and these are the three main monetization methods that I use for my TikTok account, where I have about 170,000 followers as of the time of recording this video. The first of which is obviously going to be through this new creator fund. Now, we still don't know how much this creator fund is actually going to pay out, but the TikTok creator fund currently pays about a 4-cent CPM. So that means for every 1,000 views you get on TikTok, you're getting about 4 pennies. Now, that means if you get 1 million views on TikTok, that's going to be about $40. Now, this is quite a bit less than most people make on their YouTube channels. For example, my YouTube CPM is hundreds of times higher than my TikTok CPM, but it's a lot easier to get viral videos on TikTok. So we'll have to see where the YouTube Shorts CPM comes in at. I'm assuming it's going to be pretty close to where TikTok is at, though. So in order to make any real money from the Shorts Creator Fund, you're going to have to be driving significant amounts of views on Shorts. Just for context, to make about $1,000 per month, you'll probably have to drive about 25 million views per month, which is quite a lot of views for most people. Now, the second and probably more profitable option for most people is going to be by using brand deals. So this is where I make a lot more money on TikTok, is through working with sponsors. So a brand will pay me on TikTok to make a sponsored video for their company. That can be anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s, depending on how large your account actually is. This is generally going to be much more profitable with a lot less work required because you just have to make one video and you're making potentially thousands of dollars. Whereas with the creator fund, you're going to have to be getting tens of millions of views to make that same $1,000. Now, for me, this works out really well because the main business that I run actually negotiates sponsorships for different YouTube creators. So I'm able to kind of upsell them in to my TikTok packages as well. Company's called Solidate if you do want to check that out. But because I'm already talking to dozens of different brands every single week, it becomes really easy to fill my pipeline with TikTok sponsors. Now, big question a lot of people have about sponsorships, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, is how much do you actually price them at? So I've got a video up here detailing how I price sponsorships for myself and then for the creators that I work with. So that might be valuable to you if you're curious on how to price yourself. Now, the third and most profitable method you have for monetizing on TikTok is through affiliate marketing. Now, this is actually a lot harder to do on Shorts because on TikTok, you can put a link in your TikTok bio, makes it really easy for someone to click on your profile, click on that link. With YouTube Shorts, there is not really a great way to do affiliate marketing yet. You can't put any kind of links in the descriptions on your videos that are clickable. And there's also no kind of like profile page where there's just like a big link that people can click on. So for now, you can't really do much affiliate marketing on Shorts, but I imagine over time, you're probably going to roll out a more mobile friendly kind of homepage for your account that might be more conducive to affiliate marketing. So now that you know how to actually make money on Shorts, let me share with you my plan for making a couple $1,000s per month extra by utilizing the Shorts platform. So it's honestly really simple. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is repost most of my TikToks to Shorts. So at the moment I'm posting typically about 7 to 10 TikToks per week. And so I'm going to be reposting most of those onto my YouTube channel in the form of a short. Now that you can do this easily from the YouTube app, it only takes me a couple minutes to kind of re-download my TikTok video with no watermark and then re-upload it to YouTube and post it. And given that on average, I'm getting at least a couple million views on TikTok every single week, I'm imagining is that I should be able to get some decent traction on my YouTube Shorts as well. But we'll have to see how much attention is actually on the Shorts platform compared to TikTok. Because with TikTok, obviously you get a lot more people consuming. You also have a lot more people posting. So we'll have to see how that balance kind of shakes out for Shorts. So all in all, that'll probably translate to a couple $100s per month from Shorts, I imagine, from the Creator Fund. But where most of the money is going to come from is through sponsorships. So like I said before, I'm doing a ton of different sponsors on my TikTok page. And so I'm planning on upselling many of those sponsors onto my Shorts channel as well. So once my Shorts has a little bit of traction, then I am going to start upselling those sponsors. So for example, say I'm selling a TikTok sponsorship for $3,000. I don't imagine it's going to be very difficult for me to upsell them to maybe $4,000 in exchange for also posting that on my YouTube Shorts channel. Once again, I have a little bit of traction there. I've got some shorts that have really gotten a lot of views. I imagine that'll be a pretty easy upsell process, and that's where I imagine most of my Shorts money is going to be coming from. Now, at the same time, these Shorts are also going to be growing my YouTube channel, which feeds back into my entire business and just helps me bring in more money overall. So that's going to be feeding into kind of the apple cart or flywheel here and just making my whole business more profitable. Because the bigger my YouTube channel gets, the more sponsorships I can sell. That means more brands that I'm talking to for Solidate, which means just more business coming in overall. So now that you know how to make money on YouTube Shorts, the next thing you should do is check out this video over here, where I show you exactly how I made over $10,000 in my very first month on TikTok. This kind of details the main methods that I use to monetize on TikTok, dives a little bit deeper into them, and shows you how you can do the same thing for yourself. So check out that video and I'll see you over there.